Jotono chini jora news ni bwkhaktwi belai hambai maya faro tinini je osa mutai ter tinini siming je chengjagui tongmani twiwi kisisa lukurokni thanio kok kwcharnani musugo kaisa kok hwnkha khe abono chini joto twiprasa lukurok sabrung brungno chini je specially osa mutai ter no rwksawi nainai hwnkha khe chini twiprasa sikla sikili rok kwbangma thaio no accident ba langma chomani ba rape khaijakmani abo hai chwng gotna khwnao aboni bagui no ang kisisa chini twiprasa lukurokno ang kisisa hush tongnani bagui koinani musugo tani hwnkha khe bisi brum brum chini osa mutai ter palaijakma hai kheno bisi brum brum phaiwi ba palaijagui tongo abo hai kheno tabok chini twiprasa rok bo haino osa mutai ter no hamjagui ba borokni bwkhabai yachagui tabok osa mutai ter no chini twiprasa amchaio bo haino kwbangma hathi rogono palaijagui tongmani norok jotono nugui tongo tei palaijagui bo tongo aboni bagui no chini twiprasa sikla sikili rokno ang kisisa kok kwcharnani muchungo as a ordinary ba chwng public hisabe twiprasa sikla sikili rok tani hwnkha khe chini twiprasa sikla sikili rok wngkha chini backbone ba borok wngno chini thinang aboni bagui no norok mutai ba osa mutai ter naithani rogo norok kona begna ba yang himyawi norok twiprasa amchai ba kwbangma thai palaijakmani ono kaham khe norok naiwi thangbaijadi tani bagui hwnkha khe chini specially kwbangma report bo chwng nugo chini news collection ba press rokni hoite bo haino borok kwbangma sak twiprasa ba sakni twiprasa sikla sikili rok langma chomani rape khaijakmani abo hairokno phunukna musungya phano kwbangma borok rokni hamya ba jekono bohai khe dera mungo kalaimani bisingtwi borok ma phunukjago bwkha khamwi tongphano borok ma phunukjago hush khairao aboni bagui no norok hush khe tongbaijadi jotono kaham khe naibaidi tei osa mutai ter no rwksawi norokno jotono no khulumung narwjak aswkna ham. First of all, I would like to thanks to Azora News for giving me this privilege to say something regarding this osa mutai ter. The only thing that I would like to request you as a public is all twiprasa youth and especially youth and above, I would like to request you is this as a puja is going on, it will be continued till 4 of this month till 3 days, 3 or 4 days. So that's why I just want to request you to see in a right way so that you may not fall into any trap, because we always see that each and every year Durga Puja is celebrated, especially all over India as well as Tripura, especially Kolkata. So what I would like to request you is this, especially to us Twiprasa youth, as Twiprasa are also now accepting Durga Puja as our occasion, Puja occasion. So please you see in a right way, and now as Twiprasa are also organizing this puja even in a Twiprasa market and Twiprasa stall. So please you see it, don't go here and there, don't loiter, please see right way so that no Twiprasa youths are harmed or done any incident, and so that you please be safe and watch happily in a right way. That's all I would like to request you as a public. Thank you all.